Alright, back for some more magic here. I'll show you an effect here. So a regular pack of cards. Give the cards a little bit of shuffle here. And give it some cuts. I'll see if I can find one of those aces. It's like so. Here's the first ace. Ace number 2. It's like that. Ace number 2. Ace number 3. Let's see if we can find here. Okay. Ace number 3. Watch ace number 3. Do that again. Oh! And ace number 4. Ace number 4 is the most difficult because you know what's going to happen if I just show you it's nothing on top. I'm not even going to touch the deck, I'll just clap here. Oh, I got a king. The last one should be in here somewhere. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Last ace right there. That should be the ace of. Oh, there it is. All right. Show you a pack of cards, some aces. Do a little effect. I want you to remember the order here. It's club, heart, spade, diamond. Very important the order. Because what I'm going to do is take this regular rubber band here, wrap it around the pack, just like that, and have you select one of the aces, the club, the heart, the spade, or the diamond. So let's just say you name the ace of spades. So place it on top. It's like that. Place them on top of the other ones. So that means we have the 4 aces here. Okay. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. And we'll do a little trick with those. And we'll plate the deck here. And we'll place the aces on top. It's like so. Now watch, you just give it a little snap like that. And the ace actually melts right through. That's the ace you name. Now we'll do one more effect here. We'll take the aces, place them into the middle of the deck. It's like so. 4 different parts of the pack. And we'll just mix them in there, give them a little shuffle here. And shuffle them up. Give the deck some cuts. No aces on the top. And there should be no aces on the bottom either. Someplace in the middle. So if I try and find one of these aces here, I'm not going to find it. I'm actually going to have the rubber band actually find it. Actually have you find it. And somewhere in the pack the ace has got to be in here. Not on top, not on bottom. You have the spectator put their finger on top and then you just snap like that. And the aces magically pop right out.
Hello, you want to master the art of magic, not just learn tricks, not just learn one trick, but all the best magic. Welcome to Master Magic Membership, the world's greatest online magic course, created by me, Darin Martineau. I'm the protege of Alan Ackerman. Um, I know what it's like to struggle to learn the art of magic. For many years, I struggled um, as a beginner, and you struggle to learn from books with slow progress and with confusion. And I struggled for many years until I met my mentor, Alan Ackerman, who is one of the world's greatest card magicians. So if you're tired of piecing together video tutorials from random sources and stuck watching disjointed YouTube videos that don't teach correct or deep magic technique or magic structure, learning magic can feel overwhelming and lonely. And now if you add in advice from one of my mentors, Gary Darwin. In order to get a foundation in the art of magic, you'll need at least 50 of the classic magic books. And if you get them, they cost on an average of $50 for the good books. And that's a total of $2,500 just in magic books alone. Then for magic videos, that's about $30 per video. So if you get about 50 of those, that's another $1,500. That's a total of 4,000, and we don't even have magic props yet. So let's just say, as an example, you need 50 magic props, even though it depends on what you need, whether you want to do street magic or stage or whatever you want to do. But let's just say an example, you need 50 props that cost $50 each. That's another 2,500. So now you're at a total of $6,500. So what we offer you is a solution to save you a ton of time and a ton of money on learning the art of magic. With the Master Magic membership, it's just $20 a month, and you get access to thousands of our exclusive instructional magic videos with new original magic. And we also give you a solid foundation in the classic books. You'll get hundreds of the classic books. Uh, so you're going to get instant access to thousands of instructional videos and books from card magic, coin magic, close up, stage magic, mentalism, and much more. So if you're ready to learn the art of magic and learn it correctly, click on the link now and join Master Magic membership. Thank you.